Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Regarding Islamic worship rituals, the misconception I'd like to bring into discussion today relates to an important issue of the fast, and that is what should be done when fasting. One is to fast in extreme conditions. In other words, how should one go about fasting in extreme conditions when at times it becomes almost impossible to do so? And there are several examples which can be cited in this regard as far as extreme conditions are concerned. For example, we know that there are areas in this world, there are places in this world which have a very long day. Thus, for example, 21 hours, 22 hours, or near about. We have areas which have a very, very long day. And similarly, there are other areas which are extremely hot, very hot and humid places in which people have to work outside. Thus, for example, they have to do labor, they have to construct houses, they have to work at kilns. So these are some of the places or situations in which a person is faced with extreme circumstances. So what should be done? Now, the Quran has guided us in this matter, and by pointing out two very important things which often put a person in stress while he's fasting. The Quran has said that if this is the situation, then fasts can be they can be left out, and people have to then make up for these mixed fasts. And the Quran says, "Saman kana minkum maridan aw ala safarin fa'iddatum min ayamin ukhra," which means that if anyone is sick among you or he's traveling, then he is allowed to break his fast, or not keep the fast, but he must make up for these missed fasts. So the Quran has actually pointed out two extreme conditions and two extreme situations, which vis-a-vis the fact that one is when one is sick and when one is on a journey. So there are all this is all the more possible that in these two situations the person is facing some difficulty in fasting, and the Quran has given this relief that if this is so, then obviously he or she can fast in other times of the year. So, by analogy, if we today face any extreme situation, this could be of the honor of that the day is very long, and this could also be of the fact that a person has to work outdoors in very extreme hot and humid conditions, in which it is virtually impossible to carry out his task while fasting. So, this option is available for him, that he can miss his fast, or she can miss her fast, but then these missed out fasts, they have to be kept later on in other parts of the year in which it becomes possible for the person to fast. So yes, we have this lenience from the Quran, but if we have to understand that if we leave our fast because of these extreme situations and these extreme conditions, then we must have to make them up in other times of the year. أقول قولي هذا واستغفر الله لي ولكم ولسائر المسلمين والمسلمات.